Hello YouTube, we're going to show you how we did a simple flashlight repair. We're out here, we do not have another one. We could barely see down inside of that barrel of that. Well, here's what we did. We taped our batteries together, and that's all the tape we could put on there. It would be too tight, so it's not all the way around. Next, we sandpapered this with some rough sandpaper. It won't hurt your battery. Okay, we stuck the batteries in there. Okay. And they'll go in there. Then we took our pokey tool, we got her on the outer edge here, be careful, and we spun it. We spun the batteries. So, it didn't take much effort. Say we're kind of pushing against that, hold on. And we spun the batteries. I think you know what I mean, without, because I've only got one hand here. Well, now when you look in there, you can barely see with the light. It does look shiny when you look down there. So, we're going to put the batteries back. We're just going to leave them taped till we charge them. And we're going to see if it works better, because we're positive it's not in the switch. Sometimes your spring might be dirty. Your springs fail. This is the Harbor Freight special. You can get it with a coupon for like $5, $7. And I reviewed this. Well, I really don't do reviews, but I did approve of it. So if you look back how long I've had it, I lost one and bought another one. So I didn't get it to coupon price, but really nice for out in the shop. I think that's just Quattro. You'll find it. You'll find it, Harbor Freight. You'll see it if you go in there. Check your threads, aluminum. They get powdered nasty. Don't be aggressive on them. You'll wear them out wire brushing them. Okay, let's get it together and we'll see what it looks like when we turn it on. Okay, be ready, it's going to be bright, and I'll show you how I tested the switch, kind of. I set it with the switch, and I play with it, and kind of go like that with it, and on and off, to see whether it changed. It kind of dims down once it kicks on, but no, there was no problem there, but you'd go like this, and you'd, like it's blinking. You know, like, what's wrong? Pound on it. That's all it was. Nice and bright. It's not the best flashlight in the world, but for, what I say, $7 without the coupon, it's a nice little flashlight. And I use rechargeable AAAs, so I've never had to buy batteries. I probably have a half a dozen of these little batteries, because I have 3 flashlights that use them. So, there you go. Thanks for watching. I can't take a picture down the barrel. I even tried with the flash on. So, we're gone. We're out of here.